Merry Solo Christmas, guys! After 20 years plus of Solo Christmas, as a technician, I figured out how to make a local girlfriend. Now let's go through. First, you need to download Ollama. Wait until the download finish and launch Ollama. After successful launch, you can download any model listed just by typing a letter after a selection. If you have fairly good GPU, like over 5070 Ti, you can try 20 billion GPT. Or if you have 5090 with 96GB RAM, you can try 120 billion. But today, we're going to use Mistral Dolphin, which is a light model. First, create a folder with any name. And then inside the folder, create a txt file named model file. Inside the text file, we will specify the model we are going to use and write a prompt for the model, which is good because you can directly add some personal favor to the model. But simple prompts usually doesn't work well, so I am here going to use a detailed version with some parameters. You can change temperature parameter to choose the creativity of the model. Now it gets a bit complicated. First, open Powershell. Next, we're going to check if the system detects ollama. If the following screen shows up, you don't have any problem. If ollama is not recognized as system variable shows up as an error message, then you should re-download or add ollama to the system variable. Let's move our directory to where the text file is located. Using the following command, we are going to duplicate the model that uses this prompt. Let's check if the model is created successfully. Every setup is finished. Now you can talk with your own girlfriend model. If you are bored with this, then you can also create an interesting evil models. Okay, this was the beginner section of making local girlfriend. In the next intermediate video, we're going to use real-time voice detection plus TTS to communicate like a real person. To follow up, please give a like and a subscribe.